guess you could say I'm the prankster. I like to pull pranks on people, especially Drew. I've been convincing him lately that he's been getting letters from future him. Today the letter I wrote him says, "Dear Drew, today's date is May 21st, 2014. Make sure to stay away from the coffee. Someone has poisoned it. Sincerely, future Drew."
Bonfire at Fultz, because I'm not going there.
Why?
Because then I'd have to go to the bonfire and the Shaving
There's no
Creek
need
fight,
to redo it.
and then school, and then, well, I guess that's not that bad, but still, I'd be tired for the entire day.
Yeah.
Hey guys, if you need me, I will be in the youth group studying God's Word. Thank you.
Anyways, yeah, I'm really excited for the fight.
Yeah.
I bought like 3 cans of Shaving Cream, so.
So what do you say we play a prank on Lydia?
Yeah, what were you thinking?
I don't know, like maybe something with her car. She's like obsessed with her car and the image.
You can say someone stole it, someone took it, or something, it's gone.
Yeah, but I don't think we should do it though.
Yeah, she believes anything, but
Yeah.
I don't know from us.
Yeah, who do you think should do it?
Rob.
Yeah,
Yeah, he'd be
Robert,
good.
yeah. Robert's a good one.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Hey, Rob.
Lydia?
I was reading my Bible.
Oh, okay. I think her car got stolen.
What?
Yeah,
What? I don't even drive.